Good afternoon, my dear friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, let's discover the new version of the Chatart Pro. Let's go. So remember, the domain is chartartpro.com. And when you're landing this website, that means you go to the right place. In fact, the Chatart is an AI that can help you to write. Write what? Write everything. You can write easy, you can write SEO passage, you can write everything almost. And in the new version, you can even write a novel. Wow, you can actually be a writer, but I think web writer. Okay, let's go. So for the AI product, you can find by using the Chatart, you actually can use different modes from the Cloud Sonnet 4 to ChatGPT and DeepSeek and many more. And for the images, you can use DALL-E, you can use Flux, Stable Image Ultra, and Recraft, and many more, of course, by using all the advanced AI models on the market. And we have AI writers. So we have AI easy writers, which can help people who might struggle in writing easy on university or postgraduates, even doctor degree. And we also have a grammar checker. If you lack of the confidence in writing different languages like English, for me, Spanish, you can use this to check your grammar. And here we have a novel generator I will introduce you today, and a paper search, essay extender, SEO article generator. What is SEO article? In fact, people Google stuff, right? So if they Googled certain keywords and they found your article, this is what we call SEO article. So if you want promoting your product or your website, you better do the SEO articles. And here we have SEO article generator, which is amazing. And also for me, I really like the email writer because I'm sucked at the writing emails and I make a lot of mistakes, right? And also we have article generator as well. Let's admit that nowadays, everybody uses AI to write stuff, right? But you don't want people to find your content from AI. You want them to presume that everything you write to them are handmade, right? So we even have this part, AI detector and more. So we have a bypass AI, text humanizer, and many more. So they can help you to cheat with the AI writings. After that, your article won't be feels like written by ChatGPT. Alright, so much for the talking. Let's do actually writing, right? So let's find here and let's use Chatart to write a novel for us. Wow. Start writing a novel. Let's click here and we need to type. What should I write? What should I write? Maybe from a butterfly. And the target audience is for female or for male. I think most likely it's for male because it's a sci-fi and story perspective, first person or third person. I think I prefer first person more. And we can add some label like the supernatural romance. Maybe no, maybe a little bit, maybe science fiction, yeah. So I'm writing AI agents find out that they are actually AI and live inside of the game like thingy. They start to be very angry and fear and desperate, and they looks like the Americans in 80s, okay? And we can even add some character. So here you might say the main character named James. Click here to type the settings. So here is all the background information I gave to AI. Let's click the go to story generation. Wow, what we have here. You see anything like this? And we can choose the article languages from English to Chinese, traditional Chinese, and Spanish. So many languages we can choose from. And what is this NSF? And what is this? Anyone know what is NSFW? I don't know. I swear I don't know what is. Tell me in the comment section, okay? And let's click the generate. And let's click this button, apply. Wow, that's so rich, man. Check it out, the story. And what is so crazy because we have 2024 words. Maybe AI is watching us doing this, okay? And click here, we can check the grammar, click the detect. Oh, so a lot of chance that AI can make mistakes, right? So we check here and we click accept all and everything is ready. So no grammar mistakes. And we can click here to optimize the format, click the detect. All right, I think this is a better format and click the replace all. And if you click the more tools, you can find the article illustrations. I think this is what we need here. And let's copy the first paragraph of our article and put it here. Choose a style, I think retro style, I like this. And click the generate button. Wow, that is amazing. Let's copy and we can download it. And we can download it for the later to use. And that's all. We finished our first novel. Isn't that nice? And let's go back to the dashboard of the Chatart. All right, let's sum up. So you can use this ChartPro website to create SEO article, and also you can use it to create any style article. This is what we call universal article writer. And also we have a novel writer, AI detector, article rewriter, AI editor, and so many more. Not to mention, you can also use this to create images. You can use it to create many styles and even some designs. Of course, you can click here to go to the chat tab. You can chat with Chatart just like regular AI, but more easy to use, and you don't need to pay separately. You can talk to all of them once for all. You can talk to the ChatGPT 4.0, any top AI agents. You can find them here. You can talk to each one, and you can click here to enable the network or upload the attachment. That is so crazy, right? All right, don't forget to check the Chatart by yourself. I will leave the address in the comment section as well. And I will see you on the next one. Okay, take care. Bye-bye. Congratulations on watching till the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.